Hey Jeep lovers! Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your trusted source for real-world Jeep upgrades, mods, and Amazon-tested gear reviews. Today, we're diving into the best 2-inch lift kits for the Jeep Gladiator, from OEM-grade Mopar to off-road beasts like Rough Country and BDS. Whether you want better ground clearance, room for 35-inch tires, or just that tougher stance, we've got you covered. Let's lift things up literally. Number 5. BDS Lift Kit. The BDS 2-inch suspension lift kit, model BDS 1440H, is a full 4-corner lift, front plus rear, engineered for 2020 to 2025 Gladiator models, excluding Mojave. It raises the front by approximately 2.0 inches and the rear by about 1.25 inches, enabling better stance and tire clearance up to 35-inch tires. The kit includes ProRide coil springs front and rear, NX2 nitro gas shocks, quicker disconnect sway bar links, bump stop spacers, alignment cams, and all required hardware. In real-world use, many owners appreciate that the kit keeps much of the factory ride character while offering improved articulation and off-road capability. Because the spring rates remain near OEM spec, daily driving remains tolerable. The inclusion of front sway bar disconnects helps the front axle flex better off-road. According to retailers, installation is expected to take 2 to 3 hours for someone with mechanical experience. However, trade-offs are present. The rear lift is less aggressive, 1.25 inch, than the front, so the Jeep ends up with a slight rake unless you adjust rear geometry or use leveling spacers. Some users prefer upgrading the stock NX2 shocks to Fox or other monotube models for better damping under more aggressive off-road use. Also, as noted in forums, some skepticism exists over how much noticeable benefit you'll get for the cost, especially when matching with tire size and gearing decisions. Number 4. Daystar Lift Kit. The Daystar KJ09188KV kit is a 2-inch spacer lift designed to give your Jeep Gladiator added clearance, while preserving much of the factory geometry and ride feel. The kit uses Kevlar-infused polyurethane spacers that resist corrosion and wear over time. It provides both front and rear lift in the 2 to 3 inch range, depending on your configuration, and includes lower control arms among its hardware. In use, many owners report the on-road feel remains close to stock, with little added harshness in everyday driving. One user review notes the on-road is exactly like stock after installation. However, some criticisms have emerged regarding component quality. One reviewer flagged that mounting holes in the shock extensions were problematic. Others mention rattling or noise, beats and bangs under there, likely tied to tolerances in spacers or sway bar links. Also, some forum users view Daystar as a mixed bag compared to competitors. Daystar is a mixed bag for their kit. This suggests variable quality control or performance depending on the batch or installation precision. Number 3. BDS Leveling Kit. The BDS 2-inch leveling kit, model BDS 1436H, is engineered to lift the front of a 2020 to 2025 Gladiator by 2 inches while allowing room for up to 35-inch tires. It includes ProRide coil springs, bump stop extensions, JKS quicker disconnect sway bar links, and your choice of NX2 nitro gas shocks, twin tube, or the upgraded Fox 2.0 IFP monotube shocks. In practical use, owners report that this kit delivers a solid compromise between off-road capability and daily driving comfort. On Jeep forums, one Gladiator owner noted that after installing the BDS kit, the ride became a little softer on rough roads, with potholes being absorbed better than before. Including quicker disconnect sway bar links gives the Gladiator added articulation off-road, while maintaining on-road stability when the bar is reconnected. Some trade-offs exist. Since this is a front-only leveling kit, the rear remains untouched, which can lead to a slight rake unless you pair it with rear adjustments. Also, the base NX2 shocks are decent, but some users prefer to upgrade to Fox for more aggressive trails for improved damping. Number 2. Rough Country Lift Kit. When looking for aggressive lift and big tire clearance, the Rough Country 3.5-inch lift kit, 64930 series, is a standout even though it exceeds your 2-inch target. Many buyers consider it for more demanding off-road use. This kit is 100% bolt-on with no drilling or cutting required. It supports tire sizes up to 37 inches, giving your Gladiator a bold stance and enhanced trail capability. Its spring and shock package comes with OEM-tuned coil springs and nitrogen-charged in 3 shocks, and you can optionally upgrade to V2 or M1 monotube shocks for more refinement. The kit also includes a forged adjustable track bar, bump stop spacers, and sway bar links for proper geometry at the new ride height. From user reports on forums, the ride quality can be a trade-off. One owner of a 2022 Gladiator noted, "The ride quality is rough, really rough emo, the truck will shake when hitting bumps, the suspension is not taking any dampening." Another user, driving mostly off-road, praised the looks and clearance but also mentioned trade-offs in daily ride comfort. Number 1. Mopar Lift Kit Jeep Gladiator. The Mopar 2-inch lift kit stands out as the factory-engineered solution for Jeep Gladiator owners who demand OEM-level performance and reliability. Designed by the same team that built your Jeep, this lift kit perfectly maintains suspension geometry, ensuring factory-like handling while adding extra clearance for 35-inch tires. Built with Fox shock absorbers, the Mopar lift delivers superior damping and ride comfort both on highways and rugged trails. The kit includes all necessary components: springs, shocks, bump stops, and hardware, ensuring a seamless installation without modifications. Many users praise its factory fit and no-compromise quality, making it a favorite among Jeep enthusiasts who want premium performance without voiding warranty coverage. So there you have it, the top 2-inch lift kits for your Jeep Gladiator. Each kit offers its own mix of comfort, clearance, and capability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss an Adventure Jeep review. Got a lift kit you're using right now? Drop your experience in the comments. We love hearing from fellow Jeep enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring, keep climbing, and stay wild with Adventure Jeep.